If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. If you ask me, most favorite and famous breakfast food, I will call it eggs. Who would like to eat the same style of egg every day? Why not make some delicious omelettes, which are very unique and easy to make? These omelettes are full of flavors and health. These are a boon if you are trying to lose weight. You can have these healthy omelettes for your breakfast or pack them for your lunch boxes.
Please note the ingredients needed to make these omelettes. List is also given in description below. First we will make mushroom omelette. So here I have eggs, mushroom and garlic. First of all, finely chop garlic cloves and slice the mushroom like this. You can use white or brown mushroom as per your availability and slice them thinly. They cook easily. Here, heat oil on medium heat in a pan and add in chopped garlic. Lay the mushroom slices over garlic like this. This will give our recipe a beautiful look after it is cooked. Now, turn the mushrooms after about half a minute. Remember to keep the heat medium-high at this time while cooking mushrooms. And beat the eggs nicely. In the meantime, mushrooms are cooked. Put the beaten eggs over the mushrooms and cover the lid. Keep the heat medium-low. After about half a minute, add in black pepper and salt. Cover and let it cook again for 1 to 2 minutes. After which, we are going to flip the omelette very gently and cook it for about half a minute more. And see how fluffy this omelette is. Take it in a plate and enjoy this omelette hot. Let's make another healthy omelette, the spinach omelette. For that, lightly beat eggs in a bowl. Take a small piece of onion and chop it finely. You can use onion as per your liking, more or less. Put the chopped onion in beaten eggs. Add salt a little lesser than your regular liking and some black pepper powder and beat well. And in the same time, heat oil in a pan. The heat should be medium here. Now add in the beaten egg and onion mixture and spread it over your pan. Now take a handful of baby spinach or small spinach leaves. Do not chop them, just put them over the egg and cover. Let it cook for about 2 minutes on medium heat. After that, very gently flip over this omelette and increase the heat to high and let the spinach side cook on high heat for about 1 minute. After that, this omelette is ready to be enjoyed. Look at the crispy spinach over this yummy egg. Enjoy any of these omelettes any day, anytime you like. Thanks for watching.